Some of the most popular cars ever built were the 55, 56, and 57 Chevys. They not only ruled the 50s, but they continue to be one of the most popular cars to build, hot rod, or restore. So, to make that easier, Painless has come out with a new wiring harness specifically for the Tri-5 Chevys. Take a look. Now, the first thing you'll notice is a modern 28 circuit fuse block that's got all the power to run any modern accessories like air conditioning and fuel injection, power windows, whatever you want to put on there, this thing will handle it. And it also comes with a special bracket so you can mount this modern block in place of the original. That's cool. Now, like any wiring harness, it comes in 3 sections. This section here is for the interior. As you can see, it comes with special harnesses to do modern gauges or original gauges. This part of the harness here goes out under the hood for your motor, for your headlights, all of that. Then you've got the harness that goes back to the back for your tail lights and everything back there. And you can see by the length of these wires, there is enough wire here to do any Tri-5 vehicle. 4-door, 2-door, wagon, it doesn't matter. Then as you can see, Painless also includes all of these little pigtails and these plugs that are very unique to that vehicle, so you don't have to hunt a junkyard to find these. If you have a Tri-5 project or you've always wanted one, Painless has the wiring harness you're going to need to get the job done.